Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in today. Very short video. This is a part 2 of a YouTube training series we're putting together. And today, I'm basically going to give you a free bonus. It's a download below this video that shows you the power of the one-track method. And the one-track method is the only way to scale profitably using YouTube ads. And this is based on experience. We've been doing YouTube ads for many, many years now. Large budgets from $100 to $5,000 to $10,000 a day. And frankly, the only way to manage these very complex platforms, especially Google, is to simplify. Simplify, simplify, simplify. You may have heard that before, but when it comes to YouTube ads, that's certainly true. So what I'm going to do here is, let's see here. I'm going to see if I can just scroll through real quick. So the whole idea of the one-track method is one campaign, one ad group, and one ad. So that whole one-to-one-to-one match, that's exactly what that framework is all about. This keeps a very clear, straight-up plan and way of working for you to be very effective with your YouTube ads, but certainly for your tracking and for your management and an overall healthy account structure. So I'm just going through really quick here today because I wanted this video to go up tonight and to allow you to access the full guide, which gets into a lot more descriptive details and also imagery to show you how we set all of this stuff up. So again, one ad group, one campaign rather, one ad group, one ad. That's exactly what you want to do to create efficiency for your ad campaigns on YouTube and for scaling. So there's a lot of benefits. I mentioned the simplicity, the focused insights, the enhanced performance. And ultimately, what we want to do here is make sure that you don't make it more complex than it needs to be. So if you like this presentation and want to learn more about how to scale profitably with YouTube ads using the one-track method, then click the link below, access the guide, totally free, no opt-in needed. Just glad to put this together for you. And watch for part 3 in the YouTube series. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to get into some details around audience targeting and the best options for you to do that. So short video here today. Excited that you're here. And hey, download that guide right now. And if you like these videos, please comment, share it. And hey, if you have any questions at all, put it into YouTube. We'll be sure to answer that. Take good